Howdy doody everyone, and how's your day today? Anyways, Ken here with Ultralight, and today I'm going to do an instructional video on our tripods. We're going to do this in two parts. The main ones we'll do on one video, and then we have a special tripod with a tri-tray that we're going to do in a separate video. I'm not going to mention any of the part numbers for the kits, but they will be in the video, so you don't have to worry about that. So anyways, when we package a kit, and we have probably almost 70 kits now, which is a lot. That's between underwater and cinema. So we had a lot of customers that had problems trying to figure things out, and the kits have been a huge help. So now you can go to the website, look to see what you have, what application will work, and get a kit for that. We have kits for trays, we have kits for different arms, we have GoPro kits, all kinds of stuff. So take a look someday. Anyways, we have, when we send out a kit, it will be all the individual parts packaged in one big bag with a big header card on it, and it will have the part number of the kit for whatever you're buying. There'll be an instructional card or a card in the kit, which if you go to the link or you go to the code, it'll take you right to our YouTube channel for our instructional videos. So anyways, this kit right here, those parts, that would be these parts here. This is our larger kit. It has a pan and tilt tripod head on there, and the way you would put the kit together, obviously just cut the bags or whatever, pull the parts out. If you're like me, you just tear them open with your teeth, you know, which isn't good. Then you're going to put these arms there, pull that down, spin that nice and tight, and cool, you have a nice little tripod with a pan and tilt head on there. So we also have some other kits that are tripods. We have this one here, which has 6-inch arms. This kit could either come with a ball mount, so you can mount a ball on there, or I should say a light with a ball, or you can get them with this GoPro mount, so you can just mount your GoPro on it. There is one other kit that we have, which will have just 3 smaller legs. That will only come with the GoPro tripod mount. Now, one thing I want to make sure I cover is when you get the kit for these, this is an ac-triclamp. No, I'm sorry. This is an ac-triclamp. It's going to come with the nut and the 2 washers underneath. That's only to hold them in place. What you're going to need to do is loosen that up. Take those off. Put the nut first. We're going to put the lock washer, the flat washer, tighten whatever it is that you're going to tighten on there, and then lock it down with a wrench so this is tight. So that would be the same way that you would do it with this, but make sure you don't try to tighten this too far, because this is plastic and it's only going to go down so far. So anyways, just tighten it up, you're all set, and you're ready to go. Other than that, besides me dropping things, it's one of those days, you know. Have a great day and happy tripoding.